Are we on? So, today I'm going to share with you my favorite quick raw breakfast. It's simple, quick, and easy. My name is Felicia Tappan, and I'm a co-founder of Slow Foods Kitchen, where we make great raw kale chips. That said, in the plug-in, all you do is take some, I like Granny Smith apples. I grate them on a grater. Boy, if you had a food processor, it'd make it faster, but usually I'm too much to wash, and this is really quick. So I'm just rubbing this apple with the skin on it, and I rub it down until I can feel the core. See there? Get all that apple off of there. But that didn't take long. How long was that? 30 seconds? Take me longer than that to get the food processor out. So, feed that to your guinea pig. So, if you're real hungry, just do another apple. Now, normally you don't need lemon juice because I'm going to eat it so fast, but if you're concerned about your apples turning brown, squeeze a little lemon juice on them and stir it around, especially if like you're making it for a crowd and it's going to be a few minutes, you know, get the lemon juice on the apple to keep it from turning brown. And then it's basically top it with your favorite toppings. And today we have some toasted coconut. Let's sprinkle about a tablespoon. And we have some hemp hearts. Sprinkle that on there. And for those of you who have a sweet tooth, we're going to just put, the maple syrup is really sweet. It doesn't take much, so just a teaspoon. And also, if I personally, one of my favorites, I'd be throwing pumpkin seeds, walnuts, pecans. You could put dried raisins, dried cranberries, whatever you like. It's a free-for-all apple bowl, and breakfast is served raw and delicious. Have a great afternoon.